In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Apollo.io Chrome extension, perfect for streamlining your sales intelligence needs in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it, so you can enhance your productivity with just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Any browser where you can install extensions should work, but we'll focus on Chrome for this tutorial. In the search bar, type in Apollo.io Chrome extension. As you execute the search, the goal here is to locate their extension, which is typically named Apollo.io Sales Intelligence. This will allow you to harness the powerful tools Apollo offers directly from your browser. Once you've identified the correct extension, the next step is to click on Add to Chrome. This process is crucial as it enables the additional features and functionalities to be readily available at your fingertips, making contact management and sales more seamless. Shortly after clicking Add to Chrome, a pop-up will appear asking for confirmation to proceed with the installation. This is standard procedure to ensure that you give permission before any changes are made. Click Add Extension to proceed. This confirms your intent and allows the installation process to begin. The extension will then install automatically. You can verify that the installation was successful by looking for the extension icon in your browser's toolbar, which often appears as a small puzzle piece. Once you click on this icon, scroll through the list of extensions you have installed. Look for the Apollo logo. Its presence here indicates that the process was successful and the extension is ready to use. Now that you have Apollo.io installed, let's put it to work. Open your LinkedIn account and select any profile of interest. Once you've done this, you should notice an Apollo icon appearing on the right side of the screen. Clicking on this icon will give you access to a variety of powerful tools designed to enhance your networking and sales efforts. With the extension fully active, you can now begin to explore its functionalities. Use the extension to efficiently add contacts to lists, send connection requests or messages, view detailed profiles, and automate certain sales tasks. These capabilities can significantly streamline your workflow, saving you time and boosting your productivity as you navigate through your LinkedIn network. And there you have it. In no time at all, you've equipped your browser with the Apollo.io Sales Intelligence extension, empowering your networking capabilities with greater ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tools beneficial to your outreach and sales strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips.